And a happy, merry, holly jolly Vlogmas to you all. Today, I was going to do so many things. We're going to make cookies with my cousin-in-law. Or at least I was going to video some of her making cookies because I don't make cookies. I was going to make some more candy, which basically means since I now have learned how easy it is to melt chocolate in the microwave, I can chocolate things. And I've been chocolating things like marshmallows and espresso beans. And let me just tell you, espresso beans with chocolate, and you add a little bit of ghost pepper in there, good burn. Anyhow, I was going to do all this watching some of the bowl games, but, well, this has become a problem thanks to YouTube versus Disney 2021. I mean, obviously, this isn't the big college football weekend. There's a few bowl games on. If I was a fan of any of those teams specifically, I would have already changed to a different service. But instead of watching football, I'm probably going to just watch some TV and sit here on the couch. The comfy couch. With my feet up on my big old comfy ottoman. Love the multicolor, the patchwork here. But the fact is, I love college football. I'd be watching it right now if it wasn't for this thing. And like, I'm not going to, bash on Chapek or whoever owns YouTube, Google, ABC company. No, I'm not. ABC, there's a connection there. ABC is not on the ABC network. Look up Google. You'll see, you'll understand. I'm not bashing on either one of them. I don't know why, who wants to not pay enough. I do know that if ESPN said, for $30, you can have all of our networks, I'd pay it. Even just ESPN, I would pay I would pay some amount for the ESPN networks alone because I watch two things on live TV, college sports and things like The Masked Singer, event TV, anything that I need to watch immediately. I actually have CBS. I have their service, and they put live TV on their channel. So instead of sitting here with my feet up, watching some TV, watching football, I'm trying to decide what to do. Do I change over to Hulu TV? Now that's not the holiday tradition. The holiday tradition, of course, is sitting here with my feet up, watching some football. Because ESPN a few years back stole the song, "It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year," Wonderful Time of the Year. And they repurposed it for bowl season, and it's stuck in my head. I don't see them playing it anymore, but it's stuck. In my head, when I hear, "It's the most wonderful time of the year," I hear two players crashing into one another, pad to pad. I hear that. That's the Pavlovian response I have to that song now because of what they did. And I'm okay with that. I like this. I like that. I love college football. College football is great. It's changing. I'm not going to get into whether, any of the things that are changing because there's pros and cons, and they balance out, and they probably balance out well for a lot of the players. But I want to watch football. And I don't want to have that response where I go out and I cancel YouTube TV, and then tomorrow they come back and it's even better. They've Disney and them have worked something out, and now I get more ESPN. ESPN Plus comes with it or something. I don't know. Because that's how these things work, right? They're working on each other, and someone's going to lose out. And when they start doing the math, each one of them's doing their math. Today I've lost this much money. Today I've lost this much money. Today I'm losing more and more. And when I reach a certain amount of loss, okay, it's the way it works. We all do it. It's macroeconomics. We all have the same problems. But anyways, the other alternative, might be just to lay my head right there and make this snoring sound that I'm told I make when I sleep. So there's always that. Or just sit here and watch holiday pictures on my Apple TV screensaver. There you go. I was like, the first one's okay, but see what comes up next. Either way, I hope you and your family are having a great day. Can just sit back and enjoy the day. It's not the biggest event, obviously, but it's nice to just enjoy the scenery. All right, bye-bye. Oh yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow we start Dollywood. Going to Dollywood tomorrow. I'm going to edit a bunch of videos, pretty much the whole week up until Christmas will be Dollywood. And after that, I'll put out a little video about what I'm going to do in the next, me and Val are going to do in the next year, both professionally on the internet and for fun, for our figments in time. But that's coming later. First, we have to enjoy this delightful holiday season. All right, this time for real. I want to say deuces. It's so hard. I'm not going to do it. I don't know what it means. Every time I see the end of a podcast, I hear Janello. Deuces.